Now, in order to set up our custom domain, we're going to use GoDaddy. Now, Systeme.io has specific instructions for GoDaddy and other domain name registrars. You are going to need to pay attention to their instructions for the registrar that you have. Now, the area where we'll primarily be working will be the DNS area, and we'll need to make sure to get our instructions from Systeme.io interface. You'll come into your custom domain area. You'll click on Add a Domain. You're then going to type in www and your domain name, and you're then going to click Save. You'll see a pop-up window with values that you'll need to place at your domain name registrar. The first value you're going to copy here in this area. You'll then head back to your domain name registrar. You will then add a new CNAME record. We're going to place in CNAME. We're going to write in www, and we're then going to write in the value. Now again, the instructions that we're using are specific to GoDaddy, and they're specific from Systeme.io. If you're not using GoDaddy, or you're using another registrar domain name, then you are going to want to get the registrar specific instructions from Systeme.io. We are then going to copy the second value. We're not going to copy the domain name, however. We're going to copy everything but that, and we're going to head back to GoDaddy. And if you find a conflict and notice that you have a similar record, then you're going to need to delete that record that you're not using. And then what you're going to need to do is save the new record. We can now add the second record, which is going to be a CNAME record. We're going to put that value here that we copied. We're going to need to go back to Systeme.io to get the second value, and we're going to copy that entire value. Now, as of the recording of this video, our registrar-specific instructions state that we should now be checking dnschecker.org. We should place in our domain name. We are going to check for the CNAME record. We're going to click Search. Now you may find that the records have not yet propagated. You may need to wait some time for this to resolve, up to 48 hours. So we're going to stop the video here, and we're going to pick it up after this time has passed so we can determine that this process has propagated.